Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Kick app on your Mac and use it like a standalone desktop application. There's no official Kick app available in the Mac App Store, but don't worry, you can easily install it as a web app in less than a minute. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. You can click the Safari icon in your dock, or press Command plus Space to open Spotlight Search, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari opens, go to kick.com, wait for the website to fully load. Now move your cursor to the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Add to Dock. A small confirmation window will appear. You can rename it to Kick if you'd like, then click Add, and that's it. You'll now see the Kick icon in your dock, just like a normal app. When you click the icon, Kick opens in its own dedicated window, without browser tabs or extra distractions. It feels and works like a real desktop application. Even if you completely close Safari, Kick will continue running independently. You can also find it later in Launchpad, or by searching for it with Spotlight. This method gives you a clean and focused streaming experience on macOS, without needing any third-party downloads. And that's how you install Kick as a standalone app on your Mac. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.